Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Hello everyone, our title is The Impact of Technological Advancement on India's Education System. Our objective is how education is changing India. Over to our team members.
India, a land of rich rituals and tradition, is now witnessing a great development in education through technology.
From smart classes to digital learning apps, technology is reshaping how knowledge is distributed and consumed.
But amidst all this excitement, critical question arise.
Now our reporter Arnav Sharma is going to take the interview in the village Palampur about technologies on India's education system.
Today we are here in a village named Palampur. So we are here because to know people's reaction about what they know about AI and technology. Hello brother. Hello. What do you know about AI and technology?
What AI? What?
Can you please tell me what is technology? Is here technology present or not?
Babuji, I have Manjulika.
Also, who is Manjulika?
Manjulika is my buffalo. He is more useful.
I'm not talking about the buffalo. I'm talking about technology. You have.
Wait. Bachua, come.
Who is this?
My son.
Do you have any chat GPT or do you use any chat GPT device or anything?
No, I don't know about this because I don't have any device to use.
Oh, okay. What is your name?
My name is Babua.
Your name is Babua. So Babua ji, tell me what do you know about AI and technology?
No. आप क्या पूछ रहे हैं हमने? Not. I am not understanding.
So tell me, are you a student?
Yeah, I am student.
So what is the school name?
My school name is Convent School.
Okay, so in your school, is there any smart board or anything?
No. Don't such type of thing. We have only slates and chalk.
So you study on slates and chalks.
Yeah. We write and rough.
So do you have any device or anything in your school?
No. Not of anything here. Only chalk and slates.
So thank you for your review. As you see, these people don't know about AI and technology.
Good morning, students. Today we'll explore to Indian struggle for independent culture, that is to page number 45.
Why history always so dull and could be more exciting? Yes, you are right. History is boring. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, sir. Today we are going to explore India's independence journey through this entire video.
The Dandi March. Gandhiji decided to launch the Salt Satyagraha at Dandi in Gujarat. On the 12th of March 1930, Gandhiji set out from Sabarmati Ashram with 78 of his followers for launching the Salt Satyagraha. Sabarmati to Dandi, covering a distance of 385 kilometers, people joined him in very large numbers. On the 6th of April, Gandhiji picked up the salt on the seashore at Dandi and broke the Salt Act.
A great point, Sarada, and this contrast is exactly what we need to discuss. Oh, this is wonderful, but what about the student in village who don't have access to such technology?
Technology has revolutionized education, but it also highlights the stark inequalities in access.
Hey guys, do you know? While cities boast tech-enabled classrooms, rural schools often struggle for basic facilities like electricity and clean water.
Oh true, do you know that only 30% of rural schools have reliable internet access?
But we can't ignore the government efforts, initiatives like Digital India and Physics Wala
are slowly bridging this gap.
Yes, private companies are helping to edutech platforms like PW and Academy are reaching even remote corners. Tough affordability remains a challenge.
Exactly, technology has immense potential, but it must be inclusive to truly transform education in India.
Prince, this trigonometric problem is impossible.
Don't panic, Prem. Let us use this app for step-by-step guidance.
Oh, Prince, this explains it so clearly.
This is the power of technology. Personalized learning, global resources, and instant solutions at your fingertips.
Now we are going to take some reviews by some people. Hi guys, you all are today?
Yes.
What challenges do you face in online education?
Let's not look at the darker side, but excessive screen time can harm students' eyesight and mental health.
I think that online education is convenient, but it lacks the emotional attraction of a students with teachers.
As all my friends says, that's why we need a balanced approach where technology doesn't replace, but some adds to complement traditional methods.
Thank you for the precious time.
Most welcome.
Most welcome. So these are the feedback of student regarding online classes. Thank you.
Technology bridge gaps in Indian education.
Technology break barriers in education.
Technology redefine education in India.
Technology shape tomorrow education.
Technology fuels the future of education.
Technology is the key to success.
Empowering mind, transforming future, the Indian education through technology. Start.
Technology is amazing, but we need to make it available to everyone. What next? Focus on closing the digital gap and empowering teachers. Final thought: education is evolving, and with the right steps, India can lead this revolution.